The only 3 exercises you need for sciatica nerve pain. 6D plus. Stop stretching senior health tips. Hi, my name is Dr. Narjas Duma from the USA. Please support our channel by liking, commenting, and subscribing. If you're over 55 and dealing with that sharp electric shock running from your lower back down into your leg, I need you to pause before you do another hamstring stretch. You've been told to stretch that tight leg, but deep down, you know it's making the fire worse, don't you? Here's the hidden truth the internet doesn't tell you. Most sciatica relief routines are built for the spines of 25-year-old athletes. Your body has decades of mileage on it. The discs have naturally compressed. The pathways for your nerves have narrowed. This is spinal stenosis, and it changes everything. Doing a classic back bend or a deep hamstring stretch for a young person is like opening a door. Doing it for an aging spine is like slamming a window shut on a fragile cable. In this video, we're not going to fight your body's natural changes. We're going to work with them. I'm going to guide you through 3 gentle, scientifically backed movements designed specifically to create space, relieve pressure, and soothe that irritated nerve, all from the safety of your own bed. And stick around until the end, because I'm revealing 3 common everyday habits that are silently sabotaging your relief, undoing all your hard work without you even realizing it. Let's get your life back. Before we dive into the movements, let's build a simple mental picture so you understand why these feel so different. Think of your spine not as a single bone, but as a stack of building blocks. Between each block is a soft cushion, your disc, and on the sides are tiny tunnels where your nerves exit. In your younger years, when those cushions were tall and full, a bulging disc was the usual suspect. The fix then? Arch backward to push the bulge back in. But as we mature, those cushions thin out. The tunnels get tighter. This is stenosis. Now, if you arch your back with this condition, you're actually squeezing those tunnels shut, pinching the nerve even more. Our goal isn't to arch, it's to gently round. We need to create a subtle curve, a flexion, that widens those tunnels and lets the nerve finally breathe. That's the science behind the relief you're about to feel. Start with the first movement. This is your go-to for morning stiffness or eating discomfort. Third, footwear discipline. I used to buy whatever sneakers were on clearance at the pharmacy. Then I spent a Saturday afternoon at a running store, had my gait analyzed, and bought proper walking shoes. That $89 purchase eliminated the chin splints I'd accepted as normal for 15 years. Here's what surprised me most. Walking this way didn't just improve my heart, it improved my memory. Stanford researchers published a study showing that regular, moderately intense walking increases hippocampal volume. That is the part of your brain responsible for turning short-term memories into long-term ones. In plain English, you are not just saving your life, you're saving your memories. But purposeful stepping, powerful as it is, cannot prevent the single greatest threat to independence in older adults. That brings us to exercise number 2. Exercise 2, stability foundation. I needed to share something uncomfortable when I was 68. I tripped, I staggered, windmilled my arms, and caught myself on a fence. But here's what terrified me. My body had forgotten how to correct itself. Independence isn't strength, it's recovery. Every year, 1 in 3 Americans over 65 experiences a fall. The CDC reports that falls are the leading cause of fatal and non-fatal injuries. Most falls happen because the automatic systems that keep us upright have quietly degraded. Let's start with the first movement. This is your go-to for morning stiffness or evening discomfort. Movement. Number 1, the gentle hug. This is perfect to do right on your bed, first thing in the morning. Lie flat on your back. Take a slow, deep breath in, and as you exhale, feel your lower back melt down into the mattress. Now for the right leg. Slowly lift your right foot and gently clasp your hands just behind your thigh, below the knee. If your knees are sensitive, this is the safe way to hold. With your next exhale, gently draw that knee in toward your chest. You're looking for a soft, pleasant sensation in your lower back and glutes, not a painful pull. Hold for a slow, calming breath, about 5 seconds. Inhale, and slowly guide your foot back down. Repeat the same loving motion with your left leg. If that feels good, for a deeper release, gently bring both knees towards your chest at the same time. This is the ultimate off switch for the lower back curve. You can even rock side to side very gently, giving your lower back a soft massaging motion against the bed. Repeat this entire sequence, right, left, both, up to 10 times. There's no rush. This is your time. Movement number 2, the windshield wiper. This next exercise is like oiling a rusty hinge. It's designed to gently lubricate the stiff joints in your lower spine. Stay on your back. Keep your knees bent, feet flat, but spread your feet a little wider than shoulder width apart for stability. Stretch your arms out to the sides, forming a T shape. These are your anchors. Try to keep your shoulders relaxed and down. Slowly and with control, let both knees drop gently to the left. Don't force them to touch the bed. Just let gravity take them as far as is comfortable. You'll feel a gentle opening in your right hip and lower back. Hold for a second, then engage your core. So bring your knees back to the center. Now drop both knees to the right side. Keep your left shoulder anchored down. Feel the gentle twist spiraling up through your spine. Return to center. Repeat this slow rhythmic motion, left center, right center, about 15 to 20 times. Imagine you're a lazy river, just flowing back and forth. Each repetition, you're pumping vital fluids into those dried out discs and mobilizing the small joints that get stuck from years of wear and tear. Feeling compressed or heavy after standing or walking, this third movement is your secret weapon. Find a sturdy, stable chair. Sit near the edge with your feet planted firmly on the floor. Spread your knees wide apart, wider than your hips. This creates the room you need. Place your hands on your thighs first of all. Now begin to dive. Start by tucking your chin gently towards your chest. Slowly round your spine, one vertebra at a time. Slide your hands down your thighs. Pass your knees toward your ankles. Let your head and neck relax completely. Once you're there, close your eyes. Take 3 deep, full breaths. Imagine you're breathing directly into your lower back, feeling it expand. With every exhale, consciously allow your body to soften. Gravity is gently decompressing your spine, creating that precious space. Now come up, do it slowly. Walk your hands back up your legs. Using your arm strength, help lift your torso. Stack your spine back up. This movement is a phenomenal reset button. Do it 3 to 5 times whenever you feel that familiar ache starting to creep in. Mistake number 3, the nighttime twist. Think about how you sleep. If you're a back sleeper with your legs straight out, the weight of your legs pulls on your hips, creating an arch in your lower back. You're compressing that nerve all night long. The fix is simple. Place a pillow under your knees. This flattens the curve and gives your nerve 8 hours of uninterrupted healing. But if you're a side sleeper, listen closely. When your top leg slides forward and drops down, it twists your pelvis and spine, literally wringing out your lower back like a wet towel. The solution is non-negotiable. Place a firm pillow between your knees. This keeps your hips perfectly aligned, removes the twist, and allows your nerve to rest completely. Give your body the right conditions to heal overnight, and you will wake up feeling truly refreshed. Start with these 3 movements and correct these nightly mistakes today. Always listen to your body. The goal is relief, not strain. If anything causes sharp, shooting pain, ease off immediately. Sometimes persistent leg pain isn't just about the spine, but about the supporting muscles that have weakened over time. In my next video, I'll show you exactly which foundational muscles to safely strengthen to take the load off your back for good. If this video brought you some relief or a new understanding, please hit that like button. It helps others on the same journey find this information. And don't forget to subscribe to Winds of Thought so you don't miss the next one. Stay healthy, you move well.